No, the title of this video is not clickbait. A member of my SMC Trading group managed to secure $4,500 in only 10 minutes on his live funded account, and in this video I will show you exactly how. So if that sounds interesting, let's get right into it. Alright, so this will be more of a trade breakdown type of video because I will go over the trade I sent in that specific day in my SMC Trading group that this member took. He placed it on his live funded account, and because of it he was able to secure $4,500 in only 10 minutes. So to do that, I will use the bar replay because this is the best way for me to show you step by step what was going through my head and what made me take this setup and send it in my SMC Trading group. So this is exactly when I opened the gold chart on that specific day. Okay, that's usually when I start my trading session at around 1 p.m. UK time, okay, during New York session. The first thing that I saw is that gold was overall pretty bullish on a intraday perspective. Okay, why was it bullish? Well, check this out. We were constantly breaking highs. Okay, we were constantly breaking highs, heading higher and higher. Okay, so right here we had a small sideways phase, I would say. And after that, we can see that gold broke out of this sideways phase with this super big push to the upside. And then it started a consolidation once again. So in my head, I was thinking that price might do the exact thing that it did right here. Okay, consolidate a bit before taking off and heading higher. Okay, so knowing that, I wanted to look for a bullish setup, and after that I was looking A for a liquidity sweep, B for a aggressive break of structure, C after the break of structure I needed imbalance. Okay, I had to identify imbalance, a unmitigated demand level. After that, the final step would be to place my buy limit on that specific demand level and see how the trade runs. Okay, so right here, this is exactly where I spotted a potential buy limit opportunity. So very textbook, we can see that we swept liquidity right here, and we could say that we swept liquidity below this low as well. Okay, for us to know a liquidity sweep is valid, after the liquidity was swept, we need to wait for a break of structure. Okay, because without a break of structure, there's no liquidity sweep. That's how I think of it. Okay, so we first faked out, sweeping liquidity right here below these lows, and after that price showed its true intentions by breaking structure to the upside very impulsively. How do I know the break of structure was impulsive? Well, because imbalance was left behind. We can see we have a very clear fair value gap right here. Okay, very clear imbalance. Okay, after I identified the imbalance, I then looked for my point of origin. My point of origin in a scenario like this is a unmitigated demand level, which in this case was this one right here. Okay, looking very, very textbook. So we have a liquidity sweep followed by a aggressive break of structure to the upside. Why is it aggressive? Once again, because we have imbalance that was left behind. Okay, and after that, after I identified the imbalance, I marked up my point of origin, my unmitigated demand level, and now the final step is for me to place the buy limit right on it. Okay, so the final step was for me to place the buy limit. This was the entry. The stop loss was around here, if I'm not mistaken, and then the final take profit was at 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. So after this, I then sent this setup in my SMC Trading group. I will attach a picture on the screen right now to show you all exactly when this setup was sent in my group. And of course, feel free to join it. Feel free to join my SMC Trading group. It is the first link down below in the video description. Okay, so now that everything is in place, let's play the price forward and see what happened, okay, with this gold setup. So let's use the bar replay, playing the price. Okay, as we can see, price is heading upwards, showing some bullish strength, some bullish momentum. Now it is pulling back, and boom, check this out. It literally tapped our zone, and then immediately after that, it went straight to the upside, smashing all the take profits. We can go on the 5 minutes to get a better picture. Okay, and we can see that it literally tapped our entry, and then boom, it went straight to the upside, smashing all the targets in around 10 minutes. Okay, it was a very beautiful trade, and now of course I will also attach a picture on the screen when I updated that this trade smashed all the targets, and I will also attach a picture on the screen right now to show y'all the feedback of the member that took this setup on his live funded account. I think it was on a 200k refunded, if I'm not mistaken. So in 10 minutes, he was able to secure $4,500. It was that simple. All he had to do is basically copy and paste this trade I sent, and the rest was history. Okay, so this was a very beautiful setup. It was a textbook setup, and I hope you all understood exactly why I took it. And please let me know down below in the comment section if you guys like these type of videos and if you would enjoy more of these type of videos, because that will be very, very important for me to know what feedback you guys will give me on videos like this. And of course, make sure you are subscribed to not miss out on any future upload. And on that note, we will end this video right here. I hope you all enjoyed it. Until next time, a very cool ICT strategy video will pop on the screen right now. You should go ahead, check it out. You won't regret it. Lastly, I want to wish you all the best and take care.